OBD2 scanners are essential tools for diagnosing car issues quickly and easily. They help you read error codes and monitor vehicle health like a pro. In this video, we'll explore the 5 best OBD2 scanners to make your car maintenance simple and efficient. Check the links in the description for more info and updated pricing. Let's get started! At number 5, we have the ANCEL AD310 OBD2 scanner. The ANCEL AD310 OBD2 scanner is a must-have for car owners and mechanics. Endorsed by Scotty Kilmer, it quickly identifies why your check engine light is on, letting you read and clear diagnostic trouble codes, view live data, and check IM monitor readiness, helping you fix problems fast and save on costly repairs. Designed to be sturdy and compact, it features a 2.5-foot thick cable, a clear 2.4-inch screen, and intuitive buttons. Weighing just 12 ounces, it's portable and easy to use anywhere. The AD310 delivers accurate results in seconds without batteries, drawing power directly from your vehicle's OBD2 port. Supporting all major OBD2 protocols, including CAN and KWP2000, it works with US, European, and Asian cars, SUVs, and trucks. Portable, reliable, and fast, it's the perfect essential tool for any car owner. At number 4, we have the Autel Professional OBD2 scanner. The Autel Professional OBD2 scanner AL319 is a smart and user-friendly diagnostic tool perfect for car owners and DIY enthusiasts. It quickly reads and clears engine fault codes, displays live data, freeze frame, and IM readiness to help you figure out the root cause of the check engine light and reset it after repairs. This upgraded 2025 version supports multiple languages, including English, French, and Spanish, and works with most OBD2 vehicles made after 1996, such as Toyota, Honda, Ford, and Nissan. It offers fast and accurate results, making it a dependable choice for users around the world. Designed for everyday users, the AL319 is plug-and-play and very easy to use even if you're not a mechanic. Just connect it to your car and you'll get detailed diagnostic information within seconds. It features a bright TFT color screen, a built-in speaker, a patented one-click IM readiness function, and a strong cable for convenient use. No batteries are required, making it a simple and portable tool to keep at home or in your car. At number 3, we have the ANCEL FX 2000-US OBD2 scanner. The ANCEL FX 2000 US OBD2 scanner is a powerful diagnostic tool designed to help both beginners and car enthusiasts understand and fix vehicle issues easily. With simple plug-and-play functionality, it connects to your car in seconds and reads detailed fault codes without any complicated setup. It even checks IM readiness to help you prepare for inspections and save on unnecessary mechanic fees. What makes this scanner special is its 5-in-1 system support, covering engine, ABS, SRS airbag, transmission, and check engine systems. It quickly locates problem areas and turns off warning lights after repairs, giving you full control over your car's health. The FX 2000 scanner offers fast diagnostics and accurate live data with graphical displays and auto-VIN technology. It logs data, shows DTC tips, and even generates printable reports, making it extremely convenient for daily use. In second place, we have the Innova 5610 OBD2 bidirectional scan tool. The Innova 5610 OBD2 bidirectional scan tool is a professional-grade diagnostic device designed to help you identify and fix problems quickly, keeping your vehicle running safely and efficiently. It provides real-time OBD2 and OEM live data, making it an essential tool for anyone who wants a reliable and powerful diagnostic scanner at home or in the shop. This scanner offers pro-level functions such as enhanced data stream for ABS, SRS, transmission, and engine systems. It even supports special reset procedures usually found only in dealership tools, making it perfect for advanced DIY users and mechanics who need bidirectional capabilities. With bidirectional control, the Innova 5610 allows you to send commands to your vehicle, like activating the fuel pump or retracting the electronic parking brake. This helps you test components directly and confirm repairs with precision on supported vehicles. Finally, taking the top spot is the FOXWELL NT301 OBD2 scanner. The FOXWELL NT301 OBD2 scanner is a reliable diagnostic tool aimed at helping car owners identify engine-related issues quickly and easily. It reads diagnostic trouble codes, shows live sensor data, checks IM readiness, and retrieves basic vehicle information like VIN. With its plug-and-play design, you get instant results without any software updates. This scanner is loved for its accuracy in reading engine codes and live data graphing. The 2.8-inch color screen and real-time graphing help users spot abnormal sensor activity. While it doesn't support ABS or airbag diagnostics, it's a perfect device for basic OBD2 engine diagnostics and emissions readiness. The NT301 offers a patented design, sturdy build, and red-yellow-green LED indicators for quick emission test readiness checks. It also includes built-in speakers for audible alerts. Powered directly from the car's OBD2 port, it requires no batteries and works with most 1996 Plus vehicles. With wide compatibility and dependable performance, the FOXWELL NT301 is a smart tool to keep in any home garage or workshop. Thanks for watching! If this helped you choose the right OBD2 scanner, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more practical tech guides. You'll find links and current prices in the description below. Diagnose car issues with confidence and save on costly repairs. Drive safe, stay informed, and catch you in the next video.